What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes. And know when you are on Google and you search for something and you see immediately live results or the autocomplete feature, how to add this onto your WordPress website is what you're gonna learn for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard to access dashboard on the browser address bar. Type your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials and review on the WordPress dashboard the left sidebar of menus. Hover a mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Upper right corner of your screen, next to Search Plugins, you're gonna click and type Search WP. Live Ajax Search. Here is the guide you are looking for. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin settings, okay? The very first option that you need to enable, if not comes enabled by default, is this one, Enable Live Search, okay? It's the most important one. In the case that you want to go pro, you can verify your key right here. You can have some layouts to play with. You have minimal, medium, rich, or custom, up to you, okay? And every single one here has this amount of settings. Here is a preview that you can see more. I love the rich option. It's good for blog posts that want to share image and content, but it's all up to you, okay? Now we can do a custom styling, for example, description, image, color, add to cart, up to you. In the case I want to share products, results, up to you as well. Positioning, auto width, that is a great feature, keep this enabled. Max results per search, no results message, and you have some miscellaneous to play with, okay? Now, how to check if the plugin is working or not? All you have to do is go to one of your pages and apply the search block, okay? So go to page, add new, click into the plus button to search for elements and search for any element called search. Just like this. Now it's up to you, okay? You can customize the search in the case that you want. Let's preview the results. Here's the search feature. Now, as long as you type something, they're gonna show you the posts, okay? If I have content into these posts or have image, it's gonna be displayed right here as well. And the same gonna happen into every single search present on your site, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!